I've been trying to get in contact with you.
I'm sorry, who is this?
My first name is Jem. It's spelled C-E-M. Last name is Polatkin. It's P-O-L-A-T-K-A-N. I was returning the message that you left me.
Oh, Jim Polat. Spell your last name one more time for me, please.
Sure, no problem. It's P as in Paul,
Mm-hmm.
O-L,
Mm-hmm.
A-T,
Mm-hmm.
K-A, N as in Nancy.
Okay, let's see. So, I just hit the wrong button. This is what I want. I'm sorry, I'm a little confused. I can't even read the notes that they gave me. Just give me one more moment here.
Sure.
Everything's going very P-O-L-A-T-K-A-N, is that right?
Yes.
And Gem is spelled C-E-M.
Correct.
Wait, are you saying T or P?
P as in Paul.
Oh, well, no wonder. Whoever did the intake spelled your name wrong.
Oh, okay. That wouldn't help.
No, it doesn't help at all. Okay, so I gotta find it. Now, where was it? Here it is. Okay. Madison County tax foreclosure. All right. Who did the intake on that? They misspelled the client's name. Unbelievable. So it's P as in Peter, not T as in Thomas.
Correct. Yeah. Yep.
Okay. I got to edit case information here. The client's name. Yeah, just a minute. Client's name, P-O-L-A-T-K-A-N. Okay. Okay, so let me hit send on that. That's going out. Paying case acceptance. Okay. Alright, so you owe $17,000 in taxes that are due by the 10th of September. Alright, well, first and foremost, congratulations, because the moratorium on foreclosures has been extended until January 15th of 2021.
Okay.
You have time to go find a bankruptcy attorney and file bankruptcy.
So I have until the 15th
Of January.
of June.
Okay, yes. What you should do right now, the first thing you need to do, though, is you need to march down to the courthouse, the Supreme Court courthouse in Madison County, and fill out what's called a hardship affidavit.
Okay.
That will stop them from being able to take any action on your case, because the one thing you don't want to do is you don't want to default by the 10th.
Okay.
Okay, so what you want to do is if you march down, just drive down
Okay.
to the Supreme Court courthouse, ask for a foreclosure hardship affidavit, and fill it out and put it in.
Okay.
Okay, and that will protect you until January 15th of next year. But before January 15th of next year, you got to file bankruptcy or come up with the money. Can
Sure.
you come up with the money? That's always the best option.
That's what I was trying to do because they let me know so short notice. I don't want to get into the whole case of it because of the situation, but yes, I would like to look for like a home equity loan because I own my home. I don't have a mortgage.
Well, fantastic. Look, it's very important then that you march down there today before 4 o'clock to the Supreme Court courthouse in Madison County, ask them for a hardship affidavit, and turn it in.
Okay, they close by the time I'd get there today. I'd go first thing in the morning tomorrow.
That's even better.
Yep.
Okay, and
Yep.
then save a copy for yourself and a copy for me, okay?
Okay.
All right. Good luck and let me know how it goes, all right?
I will. I appreciate it. Thank you very much.
And I'm about to correct your file in our system, and I sent an email saying somebody bumped on misspelling your name.
Okay. I really appreciate your time and your information. Thank you so much.
Well, I love doing this, okay? I used to be an entertainment and intellectual property lawyer in Manhattan, representing top 40 bands. And let me tell you, when you save somebody's house, okay, it feels just as good as when your client jumps into your arms when they heard this song on the radio.
Oh, believe me, I thank you a million times. I send you all the good energy I possibly can. Thank you for your information.
I'll take all the good energy you can possibly send me. And good luck. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye-bye.
Hi, this is Jay. Who's this, please?
Hi, this is Jem Polak, and we just spoke a little bit ago.
Hi.
Hi, I had a question for you real quick, if you don't mind.
Go ahead.
I called the court to like make sure to find out like where I have to go for that paper for the hardship. They told me that they don't have the paper there, that I have to file an RJI before I...
No, that's not correct.
Okay.
That's not correct at all.
Okay.
Okay, all you need to do
Okay.
is, do you remember getting served with the petition? They must have served you with a petition that they were bringing the action, right?
They just put something on my door that says steps to floor closure, basically.
Yes, that's right. You go march down there with that and say, this is the index number, because the index number's on the papers. There's an RJI has already been filed, but they shouldn't be telling you that, okay? And I'm glad that you told me that, because they're going to get a phone call from Albany about telling them not to do that. They're supposed to say, yes, calm down, we will assist you. They're not supposed to say, no, you've got to get all the things right that a lawyer would know. No, that's not correct. Okay, but you need the paperwork you were served with, because that will have what's called the index number on it.
Yes, I have the index numbers already for the thing.
That's all you need. You don't need the RJI.
Okay, so...
And if need be, march down to the county attorney's office and tell them that Jay FLEMMA sent you and that you need help filing the hardship affidavit, and they will help you.
Okay, to the court attorneys if worse comes to worse, okay.
No, not the court attorneys, okay? The county attorney.
I'm sorry, county.
Yeah. The Madison County attorney is pals with me, okay? If you tell her Jay FLEMMA sent me down, I'm having trouble filing the hardship affidavit in my tax foreclosure case, you'll have no problem.
Okay, thank you very much.
No problem. Glad to help.
Yep, thank you. Yep.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. I'm here, Jem Polakin,
Yes,
okay?
I know who you are.
And I want my index number for the case, period. That's it. I should be able to come here and get that. That has nothing to do with Jay FLEMMA.
If he's your attorney, then he will be.
He's from the Legal Aid Society.
Yeah, I know.
He
know
told
who
me
he
to
is.
come here.
He needs to talk to our attorneys about this.
Why? So you're denying me my index
I'm not
number.
denying you anything.
Well, I want my index number.
I'm advising you what our attorney said is that.
Yeah, but that's
they will
not.
talk to Jay about this.
No. I'm here. This has to be filed, and I can't file it without it. So, I need my index number. You tell the attorney.
I can't provide that. And
How can I not have my index number? I should have been served my index number. No.
an attorney can get that for you.
No, I'm not talking about an attorney could get that for me. Listen to what I'm saying, okay?
Well,
Not only was there supposed to be no kind of proceedings before August 31st, which you guys went and took my title before August 31st.
I don't know any.
That's what's being told to me. My title was taken on August 17th, and it reflects it when I go look at it online, right? Here itself it says that nothing should have been touched at least till August 31st, that what was in play by the state. On top of that, it's stopping me from getting a home equity loan. You're forcing me into doing certain kind of things because I can't have my title according to you guys. It's taken. It's been reported to multiple attorneys already. So I already talked to FLEMMA. FLEMMA told me to come in here and get the index number. First of all, I'm not asking you for something crazy. Anyone else came in here and said, my house is up for foreclosure, I need the index number, you guys will give them the index number. This makes no sense.
That needs to be applied for, and I don't have that. I can't give you an index number, and I can't give it. I don't.
So you're saying I have to fill out an RJI?
Your attorney should fill out an RJI.
No. But I'm saying as a thing. Okay.
Jay Flemma? Can you call Jay Flemma and?
I could call Jay Flemma.
Okay. He needs to speak with one of our attorneys since he is assisting you with this. It should be.
But this is ridiculous. I'm doing what he told me to do, and you're not. You guys aren't complying. So like it's not. That's messed up. I'm here trying to fill out a hardship declaration, which I should have no problem to do. And you're telling me someone else has to call. See, like that kind of treatment I find wrong. So if he calls, you're gonna like tell him. But if I ask you, nope, you're not gonna. What sense does that make?
I'm not giving you a hard time. I'm just telling you what the attorney said. They would like to speak with Jay Flemma regarding this to help you with this.
I want my index number.
I don't have an index number to give you.
So if you don't have it, you guys never served me with an index number, a legitimate index number? It's 18999 and 19999, a legitimate index number.
The in-rem tax foreclosure for those specific tax years. Those are the index numbers for the tax foreclosure.
Okay.
I don't know what index number you're needing, and I don't know.
Hi, this is Jay. Who's this, please?
Hi, Mr. Flemma, it's me, Jem Polakin.
Hi, Jim. I gotta put you on hold for a minute.
Okay, no problem.
Hi, Jim. How can I help you?
Hi, I did what you said today. I went to the courts over there, and they gave me a paper finally that said notice to mortgator. It says,
Mortgator, but yes. Go
yeah,
ahead.
mortgator declaration of COVID-19 hardship. Is that the paper that you were talking about?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm gonna fill that out. I came to the county office over here to get my index numbers because they said the ones I have, 18999 and 19999, are not the index number. So I came over here to talk to them to get the index number. They said they're not gonna give it to me unless you call and talk to them.
Why would they say that to you?
I
Who
have.
said that to you first?
I'm right here in the office right now. I'm waiting.
You're in the county attorney's office?
Yes.
Who did you speak to?
I'll get her name. She just went to the back again. It was something with an M, but I spoke to the two secretaries.
Melissa. Did you talk to Melissa?
They said Melissa's not here. And they said actually Melissa's the one that they talked to that said you have to call her.
Well, I don't know why they can't find an index number. It seems like an easy thing.
I just want an index number, and I just want They said that it's an IRM number. The ones I have, it's 18-999 and 19-999, and they said that I have to file an RJI.
I don't see why you would have to file an RJI. You don't have to file an RJI to file a hardship affidavit.
I'm just telling you what they told me, and now they're refusing to even like basically deal with me until you call them at the office.
Sure, I'll give them a call. Let me find out what's going on.
Thank you.
Hello, I just talked to your attorney. I talked to Jay FLEMMA. This is his telephone number in case you don't have it. He wants to speak with you. And we understand exactly what you need to do. Okay, and you need to file before the 10th. The hardship affidavit?
Yes.
Okay. We don't have the proper index number.
Okay.
Jay will help you get that. Okay, and we'll help you get this filed before the 10th.
Okay.
But in the meantime, there's nothing our office can do right now, okay? And Jay, he knows you're here, and
Yeah, I called him, so he calls you.
Perfect.
Because you said you wanted him to call you.
Yep. So, you know, there's nothing we can do right now, but we will help you get that filed before the 10th. But your first phone call has to be back to Jay.
Okay. Can you do me a favor? Can you just write your name and your name just so I know who I was speaking to? First names, you don't have to give me your whole name. I'm just saying. First names of who I spoke to.
Oh, and that's Jay's number. So he's confident that you're on the right path. But he wants you to give him a call, so this can be done without giving you a lot of headache.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, I will give him a call. And thank you.
Thank you, take care.
So.
Hi, this is Jay. Who's this, please?
Hi, Mr. Flemma. It's Jem Palakin.
Jim, how can I help you?
I know you told me that you were gonna talk to them and get the number.
They haven't called me back yet.
Okay, Mr. Flemma. I know you just I want to explain something to you. I wasn't rude when I went up there. The only reason why I even recorded was because they told me that they weren't gonna tell me.
There is no reason why you're not allowed to do it, okay? And it caused a big problem. If I hear back from them, I will let you know. In the meantime, you should try to also see if you can get the index number yourself. But I'll see. They might call me back. We'll see. And so you might want to check in with me in a couple days. Check in with me on Friday.
But it's the 10th. That's my last day to submit anything.
Today is the 8th. All right. Well, check back with me before close of business tomorrow.
Okay.
If you haven't heard, you should at least still fill in the court, state court, county of Madison, and they can take it that way and figure it out. But at least you've got an affidavit that you signed and tried to submit.
Yes,
And there's a moratorium on until the 22nd, until the 15th of January.
Yes, I today I did write the 18-999 and 19-999, and they stamped it as far as the court today, the memorandum.
Okay.
I did get that part done.
Do it then, but I'll hear back from the county attorney probably tomorrow.
Yes, I didn't mean to offend you in any way. I appreciate all the help you
Not me
do.
offended. It's the people down at the county attorney's office.
Oh, if you only knew what they put me through, I felt unsafe. That's the only reason why I even brought a camera. If you knew the whole story.
I don't
Yeah.
have time to on that. I've got to get back to the pile of work for people that I'm trying to save their house. So forget it. Just don't do it again.
No problem.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Hello.
Jim, I heard back from the county attorney's office.
Okay.
I don't have good news.
Okay.
It seems that you were incorrect.
Mm-hmm.
The 10th is not the day for you to redeem the property. You missed the redemption date. It was all the way back in April. It was April 30th. The date of Friday is the last day for you to pay all of your taxes and possibly save the property before they send it to a sale on the 14th. And they're going to sell it on the 14th.
Uh-huh.
I can't help you any further. And you're going to have to contact bankruptcy counsel. I don't know if bankruptcy counsel can help you, but far too late. The redemption date passed back in April. So
I got on the paper. It says the redemption date is September 10th. On the paper itself.
What I'm being told by the county attorney's office.
No,
The attorney's office says that your redemption date passed back on April 30th.
no. I mean, even on their own paper, it says September 10th. It says redemption. The redemption period is still September 10th. That's what it says on the paper. I could show it to you. I mean, that's what it says.
I'm not taking your case, Jim. I've let you know what the county attorney's office said. I've done all that I can do and handle. I'm not going to be taking your case. I wish you good luck.
Is there anyone you could suggest?
Yeah, I told you the bankruptcy guys I sent you to. Cliff Eisenhut or Max Champion.
I called Max Champion. I've never heard back from Max Champion. That someone actually called. I've called them when I first contacted this place, all the way back then. Everyone that calls that attorney's office ends up not taking my case. Like, they call them, they not take the case. They call them, they not take the case. It's like impossible.
No, I can't help you with that, Jim. I cannot help you with that. I've heard something different from the county attorneys. They said that Max Champion spoke with them at one point to find out what was going on.
Uh-huh.
But, Jim, look, you owe $17,000, and if you can't come up with it by the 10th, they're going to sell your house on the 14th, and that's all there is under discussion.
Oh my God! I mean, that's crazy. Even though they posted the date, it says the redemption date is September 10th. I have till September 10th. It says it on my paper.
You have until September 10th to pay the money you owe.
Yeah, it says that's the redemption period. I'm just saying. That's what it says.
And for Jim, there's nothing I can do to help you. I wish you good luck.
Okay, there's no one. Is this, you represent the whole legal aid society, or is there a number I could call, like, to look?
Yes, I represent all of legal aid. No, we will not be taking your case.
Wow. I don't understand what changed. I thought you were helping me.
I have to go. At no point did I say that we were going to represent you. At no point did I say that. And I'm just telling you, we are not going to take your case. I'm giving you what the timeline is. The timeline is that they don't care that you filed the hardship affidavit. They're going to ignore that. And because they say that you didn't file it before the redemption date of April 30th, and so they're going to just take the property.
That's unbelievable.
All right, have a good day.